Yes, my people, True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for more videos. So, right now, I'm in Mandeville, cool Manchester. So, yes, my people, so enjoy the ride. So, I'm giving you a night tour of Mandeville. So, right now, I'm on Hardwoods Avenue. So, on Hardwoods Avenue, right there you can find the Hardwoods Hospital. So we all need to know that, my people. It's very important. So know on Hargreave Avenue, you find the hospital right there. So enjoy the ride. So I'm gonna take you all up in the town area to see what the nightlife is all about in Mandeville, Manchester. So keep on watching. So we're gonna make a right turn. So my people, remember we're on a one way, so we gotta be very careful. The drive on Hargreave Avenue, it's a one way, so be very careful. So we are heading up in the town area right now. Yeah man, true Jamaican vibes. Enjoy the ride, my people. See what the nightlife all about in Mandeville. So the curfew is about 11 p.m. So everybody gonna be rushing to get off the road. So you have to be careful while driving also. So yes, my people, so we're on a one way. Always remember Hargreave Avenue is a one way. So we're gonna make a left turn. Please do not make a right turn because it's a one way and it will carry back. And so you gotta be careful of the police also. A lot of police are always in the town. So on your left we have the Mandeville police station. So welcome to the nightlife in Mandeville, my people. The street life. Cool Mandeville. So we are now in the town area, my people. Just take a good look. You gotta be very careful for those bike riders and stuff, you see. Yeah man, so I have to look out on the eyes and see what going on the road, Always drive safe. Remember to wear your seatbelt. So we're gonna make a left turn. So we're gonna take you all to Mega Mart. I know it's closed right now. So we're gonna take you all to Mega Mart. Just giving you a tour of Mandeville, my people. And see what it's like. Yes, my people, as you can see, them are clean up the street. Please don't dirty up Jamaica, my people. So we're trying to keep the place clean. So we're gonna make a left turn coming up. So we're gonna go to Mega Mart area. So when you go to Mega Mart, when you drive the route to Mega Mart, you can take you back to the roundabout to Hatsfield, can take you to Spur Tree. And it also can take you back on Winston Jones Highway. So because of the virus, no enjoyment in Mandeville right now. Yes, my people, we're gonna make a left turn. So welcome to Mega Mart. So Mega Mart closed like about 8 p.m. my people. So if you wanna come to Mega Mart, you're gonna come very early. So Mega Mart is a one-stop. You get everything there. So we're gonna make a left turn. Thanks for watching my people. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So on this main right here, this will take us straight to Mandeville Hospital. So if you make a right turn, we'll take you back to the town, into the town area. If you make a left turn, it will take you on Hardwoods Avenue and take you back right to the highway, the Winston Jones Highway. So yes, my people, the right turn will take you back in the town, and the left turn will take you on Hardwoods Avenue. It will take you back right to the highway. Thanks for watching my channel, True Jamaican Vibes. So I'm going back in the town area. So enjoy the night drive with True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So it can be very difficult to drive in Jamaica at nights. I know not many street lights and stuff, so it can be very difficult at night. So you have to be very careful, drive safe. So yes, my people, I'm gonna make a left turn that will take you back up to Brigade Crescent. So that's Captain Bakery on your left side, my people. So if you want your hot bread and your donut, you can come to Captain Breaky in Mandeville. And remember, most of the street in Mandeville town is one way, my people, so you gotta be very careful. So I'm making a left turn. So I'm gonna carry on the road to hospital. So I'm gonna take you to the Mandeville shopping center right now, my people. So enjoy the ride same way. True Jamaican Vibes. Fire Reid. Yes, my people. So if you make the right turn down coming up, you will go to the Jamaica Fire Brigade in Mandeville. So we all need to know that, my people. So we're gonna keep straight. We are heading to the Mandeville Hospital side. We're gonna make a right turn. Please don't make the left turn, my people. We'll go back straight to Mega Mart. If you wanna go back to Spur Tree or you wanna go back to the Winston Jones Highway, all depends on where we're going. So we're gonna make a right turn. So right ahead of us, that was the movie theater in Mandeville, but it closed down right now. So we make a right turn, we're heading to the Mandeville Hospital side. So on your right coming up, you will see the Mandeville Hospital. So we're just passing Mandeville Hospital, my people, on your right. See, you gotta be careful. Look at that driver right there.